Welcome back, everybody. Today we are making a pineapple bourbon honey sour. We're going to start off with 1 dash of aromatic bitters, 0.75 ounces of egg white, 1 ounce of pineapple juice, 0.75 ounces of fresh squeezed lemon juice, I lost it, sorry, half an ounce of honey syrup, and then 2 ounces of bourbon. And then we're gonna shake, do a dry shake or a mime shake first to emulsify our egg white. Caution, as I have discovered. Well, that was terrifying last time.
Yes. Make sure you guys watch the short after this, and you will see why.
Yes, please feel free to go watch the short of this cocktail and watch a flying shaker tin. Anywho's. All right, now that we have emulsified the egg white, we're gonna add ice and shake for another 10 seconds to chill down and dilute. We're going to use a sour glass, and we are going to double strain. All right, I'm going to let my egg white kind of settle here for a little bit. For our garnish on this one, of course, you can do some fun stuff. You can add a flower, you can do whatever. I'm going to do a design in the foam with some more bitters. So I like to use my bitter bottle just because I have a little bit more control over where the bitter goes and how much comes out. But I'm just gonna do a couple drops right along the edge here. Boop. And then I'm gonna take my skewer and I'm just going to drag right through the foam to create a design. There we have our pineapple bourbon honey sour. My pretty design. It's just so pretty. I don't even want to drink it because it's too pretty.
Oh, you have to.
Well, crap. Okay. So I'm going to taste the cocktail. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. I'm going to rate the cocktail. 1, I would have 1 cocktail and move on. 5, I would drink this all night and hate myself in the morning. Where are we going to land today? Ooh, it smells, so you do smell the bourbon, but it does smell very tropical.
Love me a good tropical bourbon.
That's yummy. You taste a lot of the pineapple, but you do taste the honey as well. And of course, you get that beautiful mouthfeel coming from the egg white. You do taste the bourbon, but again, it's not in your face, doesn't smack you by any means. This is delicious, especially if you're normally not a bourbon drinker. This is something that'll get you into at least having a bourbon cocktail. This is gonna be a 5 out of 5 for me, hands down. This one's yummy, it's delicious, plus I get my bourbon. It's a win-win. But of course, I wanna know what you guys think, so the ingredients are gonna be listed down below. That way you can build the cocktail and let me know what your thoughts are by liking the video, commenting, subscribing, and then I will see you all at the next pour. Cheers.